that's simple walk, that's jog. Now that's crouch, you can see, and that's jump. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be setting up motion matching in our project, which include walking, sprinting, crouching and jumping. So let's start the video. First thing, you will need to download two project from Epic Games. So open your Epic Game Launcher, and then on your marketplace you will need to search for Lyra, and then download this Lyra starter game. And then another one is Advanced Locomotion System. So download these two project and then open Lyra starter game, and then here go to your character, heroes, and then on your mannequin, animation, locomotion, and then unarmed. So we will need all of this animation. So for this video I'm using male character. So what I will be doing is, first thing, I will filter my animation by sequence, and then you see this MF, that means it's a female, so that's for female character. So I'm using male character, so I will be searching MM and then select all the animation, right click on it, go to asset action, and then go to migrate. Okay, now migrate it on your project file that you want to use. I'm gonna use this shooter game project, and then onto the content folder migrate it, which I have already done it. Now open your locomotion project, from here first thing, turn off this filter, go to character asset, mannequin, and then go to this animation example, base in air, and then from here you need this fall loop animation, and then run animation and walk animation. I mean the jump run and jump walk. So same thing, migrate this one into your project that you want to use. After that, open your project. So basically that is just a default third-person shooter template that I'm using. Now here what you need to do is, so first thing, select all your animation and then go to this asset action, edit selection in property matrix, select all your animation, go to root motion, and then enable this root motion and enable force root lock. That's it. Do that for all the animation that you just imported. So I have to do that for this heroes, mannequin, animation, locomotion, unarmed, and then same thing, go to the asset action, edit selection in properties. That's it. Right click, root motion, and then enable. That's it. And then do that for one of the animation from UE4 as well, mannequin, animation, not from here, sorry. So that is from this mannequin, animation, mani, and then this jump animation, because we need this animation as well. So open that one. So enable the root motion and force root lock. So now once you are done with this, so if you are using any of your other character, you can simply retarget the animation, which is very easy. So if you don't know how to do that, so go to any animation, right click on it, retarget animation, then select your folder and then select all the animation and simply click on this, sorry, so simply click on this export animation, which will retarget it to your character, so which I have already done it, right? So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use my character. So first thing, open your third person blueprint, and then here you will need to add something called, just give me 1 second, you will need to add something called character trajectory. Add this one, and I will be using my James skeletal mesh. Where is it? Which is, yep, that's the one, and then none for now. So after this, let's create a folder for motion matching, which I've already done it, and then now open your plugins and then search for motion trajectory, and then also search for pose search. Enable these two plugins and then restart your project. After that, you should have a motion matching option on your animation, and then first thing you will need to create PSS, which is pose search schema, and then select your skeletal mesh, and then I'm going to name it for motion matching. Now you will need to create PSD, which is same like blend space but for motion matching, so this is for locomotion. Now here we'll need to drag those animation, so that is here. So I will be needing this idle animation. I'm using this idle fidget and scan. Now we need walk animation, so don't use crouch and jump for now, just use the animation from walk backward to walk right. Now we will be needing jog animation, sorry, not here, here jog animation. Drag all the animation, sorry, drag all the animation, and now we need to create character blueprint, animation blueprint for character. So I will be naming it ABP player character. So here what you need to do is, first thing, search for motion matching and then select your locomotion. Now search for pose history, connect this one, and on this trajectory right click on it and then go to this pin option, and then, okay, I forgot one thing, sorry. So before you do that, you need to cast to your third person character. From here we need two things, and that is, first thing, promote this to variable as character ref, and then another one is from here get this character trajectory and then promote it to variable as well. Right, now here into this trajectory go to this pin, and then from the character trajectory just select this trajectory. Okay, that's it. Now what you can do is, into this pose history, come here and then click on this generate trajectory, and here into this trajectory data, from 70 make it 120, so that your animation is lot more smoother. Okay, so after this, what we need to do is go to our third person blueprint, and then here we need to change our animation class to ABP player character. So you can see, so it's working. Also, what I did was, onto my third person character, into the project, I mean the character movement, I make it 300 from 500. Now let's try it for sprinting. Okay, sorry, so I was setting this as left control, so actually I need to set it on left shift, my bad. So now if I click on shift, you can see it's changing to sprinting, and if I left, it's changing to walk animation by itself. Now let's do this for crouch and jump as well. So onto your character motion matching, let's create two PSD with the same schema saying crouch, and then now let's create the PSD for the jump as well. PSD jump. Now what you can do is, here onto your crouch one, go to your animation and then search for crouch, and then from here we don't need this crouch into and exit. From the idle, and then drag all the animation, and here also we don't need this turn left and turn right because we are not doing turn in place, and also turn in place in motion matching is a bit buggy for now, so, and there is no documentation as well. So once I found the solution, I will make a video on that one as well. So that's the crouch one, right? Now we will be needing it for the jump as well. Jump, yep, go to your animation again, and here first thing we will be needing is, wait a second, okay, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Drag all the animation, and now we will need one for loop. Yep, that's it. That's all we need for the jump. So now let's go to our animation blueprint. That's it. Here what you need to do is, now you will need to search this girl blend pose by bull, right? And we need to set up the condition for crouching and jumping. So this one is for crouching, this one is for jumping. So go to your event graph. Here let's select the input for crouching first, so that will be left control, and then here what we can do is, when we press this we're going to crouch, and then when we press this we're going to uncrouch. When we press release we're going to uncrouch, and then we don't need this variable, I'm sorry. So let's make a boolean saying is crouching, and then whenever we are crouching it's true, sorry, and then when we are not crouching it's false. And now here from this character ref, instead I will use this one. From here let's just get is crouching, and now promote it to variable. Also from here we will need is falling, and this one is for the jump, and then let's promote it to variable as well, saying is falling. That's it. Now come to your anim graph, and then let's set up for crouching first. Whenever it's crouching, whenever the crouching active value is true, we will need to have the motion matching for crouch. Whenever this is true, that means whenever this is true, crouching is true, the default basic locomotion is false, right? So let's drag it onto this false pose. Okay, that is one condition. Now another one is for the falling, that is jumping. So whenever the jumping is active, this crouching and locomotion is false, right? That's it. Now let's make it for the jump. Okay, that's all we need to do, and we should be good to go. Now that's simple walk, that's jog. Now that's crouch, you can see, and that's jump. So also for now I'm not doing turn in place animation, I'm not setting that up. I will be setting that up in next video. If you want, just comment down below. I think this should be it, and it's already a pretty long video, so thank you so much and see you on next video.